Yo, I got a new bike this year, so I'm gonna do a bike check. I'm gonna start from the front to the back. We got the Federal drop bars, and they're pretty smooth. I can't remember what the measurements are. I just know the 10-inch rise. And stem, I got just a stock United stem, but that would be the fit high top stem at some point. That just comes later on, because they had problems with like the shipping, and I just told them like send all the parts now and the stem later. So yeah. And I got a United headset cap bearings. Forks, I got BSD acid forks. I put the Federal sticker on there because I just wanted it to look like Federal forks. Hub, I got We The People Supreme hub. I had the same one on my old setup because I just like the hub. It's pretty sick. Pegs, BSD unit Chris Carroll pegs, and they're actually pretty nice pegs. I obviously like those a lot. We The People Supreme hub guards. And tires, I got the blue Donna Squeak tires. Yeah, in the back as well. And the spokes, I got BSD spokes, like chrome spokes, they look nice. Rims, I actually love these rims. I've always wanted them for a long time. I've got Federal XL rims because they're extra large. I love them a lot. Grips, I got shadow grips. I can't remember what grips they are exactly. And pedals, I got BSD Wheat stock pedals. I love those because they're really cool and they're grippy, and I had those on my old setup as well. The cranks are Federal Vice cranks. They're spline drive. You can run left and drive as well. The sprocket, a Fitkey bash guard sprocket. The chain, I have I think that's a Shadow interlock chain. They are amazing chains. They just look good and they're solid. I think they're the first cast links out there as well. Bottom bracket is Shadow as well. Shadow bottom bracket bearings. The seat, I've got a We The People Smuggler seat. I bought that a few, like 4 months ago now. I'm gonna get a blue one because it doesn't fit. I originally got it for my old setup, and the Mankind frame that broke in half. So yeah, in the back. Oh yeah, the Merit seat post. Forgot to mention that one. I got a Merit seat post. They make good parts. Really long seat posts for all of you people that love riding with a high seat post. Back now. Donna Squeak tires again. This one actually, we have the same pegs have on the front anyway, but Primo Freemix free coaster, and this is actually the best coaster that I've had. I've actually rode, to be honest, because my old ones, they have like engaged when you're in fakie anyway, and they just like randomly catch. But this one, you don't even have to like pedal backwards, you just 180 and it's so smooth. BSD spokes again, Primo Freemix hub guards. Another frame. I was gonna forget this, but I didn't. We've got the We the People Awake frame. A lot of people, I told them that I was gonna get the We the People Battleship frame. But that sold out before I could get my hands on it, so I just got the We the People Awake Ed Zonda frame. It's a street frame, and it is, I think it's a 21 top tube. The chainstay is a 13 something, but I can't remember. If you want to look at the specs, you can go on the We the People website, see the specs of it. That is my bike check. So I hope you enjoyed it. It's been good. And it is a dialed bike. Just listen to that. Yeah, here we go. I'm gonna insert some clips of me riding this, and you'll see how savage this bike is.